You really like pencil drawing, but it's hard to make your own one. Why don't you try to convert your photo into pencil drawing Photoshop? It's super easy. Follow me. Open your image and press the keys combinations below. Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Ctrl Shift U for changing color photo into black and white. Ctrl I for invert selection. In top layer, change color dodge in blend mode. Go to filter, order, minimum. Set the radius at 5 pixels. Follow me to open blending option. In underlying layer, hold Alt, click and drag the black triangle to the right and you see the changes. Add layer mask to it. Go to filter, noise, add noise. 100% of the amount, distribution, Gaussian. Okay. After that, we'll add more motion blur. Angle 48 degree, distance 39 pixels. There you go. It really looks like your draw in pencil. Let's decorate some text to it. Pick up text tool, choose your favorite font and type it down. Ctrl or Command T to resize it. You can customize the text in Character tab. If you don't see the type on the right side, go to Window, Set, select Character to turn it on. In this tab, change white color to the color in the image, so it will match color to the whole photo. It's done. Quick and easy, right? If you like the tip, hit like and subscribe button so we will have more motivation for launching tutorial in the future. See ya!